Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Jawa 42 Bobber. A sleek, stylish cruiser that blends vintage charm with modern performance, the Jawa 42 Bobber is making waves in the biking world. So let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a must-see for enthusiasts. Design and styling. Right off the bat, the Jawa 42 Bobber stands out with its unmistakable retro-inspired design. With its minimalist lines, round headlamp, and bobber-inspired features, this motorcycle channels a 1950s aesthetic, but with a modern twist. The muscular fuel tank, wide handlebars, and chunky tires provide a powerful stance, while the matte finishes, chrome accents, and exposed mechanical elements give it that raw, old-school feel. Whether you're cruising down the highway or parked at a cafe, this bike's looks are sure to turn heads. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the Jawa 42 Bobber is powered by a 293cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth power for both city commuting and highway cruising. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox, offering an ideal balance of power and fuel efficiency. Expect around 27 horsepower, which provides enough oomph to satisfy both new riders and those looking for a more relaxed riding experience. The bike's performance is complemented by a well-tuned suspension, ensuring a comfortable ride even over rough terrain. Comfort and rideability. The Jawa 42 Bobber doesn't just look the part, it rides like a dream too. The comfortable low-slung seat paired with a nimble chassis makes it an excellent choice for both short city rides and long highway tours. The bike's ergonomics are designed to give riders a relaxed yet engaged riding position, ideal for solo cruisers. The suspension setup is both responsive and forgiving, while the handling is precise thanks to the lightweight design and wide tires. Technology and features. Despite its retro styling, the Jawa 42 Bobber doesn't skip out on modern technology. It comes equipped with a digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential information, including speed, fuel gauge, and trip details. LED lighting throughout improves visibility, while adding a contemporary touch. The bike also features a new and improved braking system, with disc brakes at both ends for a more confident ride. Price and value. The 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber offers great value for money, especially for those seeking a bike with classic styling and modern performance without breaking the bank. With a price tag that's competitive within its segment, it provides excellent features, a premium build quality, and a comfortable ride, making it a solid option for anyone looking to enter the world of bobbers or for seasoned riders who appreciate a blend of nostalgia and innovation. Conclusion. The 2025 Jawa 42 Bobber is a bike that perfectly captures the essence of classic cruisers while integrating modern technology and performance. Whether you're a newbie to the biking world or a seasoned rider, this bike is sure to impress with its timeless looks and refined performance. If you're in the market for a bobber, the Jawa 42 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. We'll see you next time with more reviews and updates.